Port of Qingdao, China. Port of Qingdao consists of 4 port areas, namely Dagang Port Area, Huangdao Oil Port Area, Qianwan Port Area, and Dongjiakou Port Area. Port of Qingdao is one of the world's largest comprehensive ports, with total throughput and container volume, both ranking world's number 7. According to the plan of Qingdao Municipality, the 3.3 square kilometer Dagang Port Area, mainly handling general cargo, is now under transformation and will be established as a world-class cruise home port. Qianwan Port Area, with an area of 12 square kilometers, is mainly for container and dry bulk. There are 21 berths for containers, with maximum water depth of 20 meters. It can accommodate the world's largest container ships. For iron ore and coal, there are 9 deep water berths, including one for 200,000 DWT vessels. At Dongjiakou Port Area, there are 150 square kilometers. The planned quay length is 35.7 kilometers, and 112 berths will be constructed. So far, the world's largest 400,000 DWT iron ore terminal, 450,000 DWT crude oil terminal, 200,000 DWT iron ore transshipment terminal, and LNG terminal for vessels of 270,000 cubic meters have been completed. It has a storage capacity of 55 million tons for dry bulk. The 4 areas, with their reasonable layouts and specific functions, are jointly contributing to the comprehensive strength of Port of Qingdao. The container terminal productivity ranks number 1 in the survey of the American Logistics Information Company.